Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this awesome antique by Casa Chic. It is a window mirror. Wow, window mirrors reflect on the on-trend look. Just like windows, mirrors are a good way to add light to our home. Mirrors designed to imitate the shape of a window are extremely popular and are an excellent way to create a striking feature on our wall. Vintage French styled window mirrors are ideal for reflecting natural light and help create the illusion of space and depth beyond the wall it is placed on. We have in this case a really awesome mirror design. Oh, it's made out of glass, of course, and it's made out of wood. The dimensions are 120 centimeters to 80. Of course, out there are a bunch of other windows available from Casa Chic. The French arched window mirror here. It's a solid frame and it's possible in white, as you can see, but maybe you like more black. It's possible too. A lovely arched top and sectioned mirror panes make this mirror an amazing focal point in any room. It is made as a solid frame construction, highly versatile. It can be used freestanding or wall hung, but in this case it's a wall hung. This is better, I think, because it makes more space. It looks better with it. Sectioned mirror panes. Oh, and the size is really big. That's really awesome. Of course, it is like an pier glass. A pier glass or a true mirror is a mirror which is placed on a pier. For example, a wall between two windows, supporting an upper structure. It is therefore generally of a long and tall shape to fit the space. It may be as a hanging mirror or a mirrored glass affixed flush to the pier, in which case it is sometimes of the same shape and design as the windows themselves. This was a common decoration feature in the receptions room of classic 18th century houses. Oh, that's awesome. A trumeo mirror like this is a type of wall mirror originally manufactured in France in the latest 18th century. It takes its name from the French word trumeo, which designs the space between windows. Such a mirror, usually rectangular, could also hang above an overmantel. A decorative carved or paint theme was the prominent characteristic and could dominate the actual mirror. And you can see this round French window mirror here is really awesome. It looks so beautiful. And of course, on the Casa Chic homepage, we can choose a mirror that looks like a window. It is a clever way to adding an architectural feature to our home, and their unusual shape and style are perfect for people who love something a little bit different. Yeah, Casa Chic think nothing can match the sleek, elegant lines of French windows, and the placement of one of that window's mirrors will make us feel, oh, we have a timeless French window in our home too. Why not try placing a mirror between two windows? It will help us to make the most of a natural light, and we will also trick the eye into thinking there is another window. And The window mirrors are exceptionally versatile and they will look great in just about any room in the home. They are also incredibly popular for bars, hotels, and restaurants too. A pair of that window mirrors made from high quality solid wood with a beautiful arch design will bring a sense of balance and an elegance to a neutral room. The wooden frame gives an understated and natural finish, and placed opposite a window will reflect the natural outdoor settings. Its sturdy design means it can also be placed on a dresser to create a variety table, helping us to get ready for a big day or night out with case. It's really awesome. The good shape is awesome. The good quality of the products which are built here are awesome. This is the Carver Chic. It's an antique Carver Chic French mirror and in the shape of pier glass. Or you can call it in an Trumeau mirror. The Trumeau, for example, the late 19th century, the giftwood pier glass was classic foliage and with ear dressing. This is, for example, a classic from of the pier glass. It is an old school design, but it is so fresh in a modern way to live at home. This is the French art window mirror in a really good shape, and it comes with a solid frame, and it is, in this case, it is a white option, and it's a nice and good designed window. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. And of course, to attach it to the wall is really easy. You only have to do is bring 2 screws in one line, get them on, and then you can have a wonderful window. Soon.